In this video, I'm going to be talking about tariffs. Tariffs are quite important in the Solax app. For example, all the energy savings and earnings on the home page and how they're calculated are all based on the tariff that you have set up. I've seen lots of instances of the tariff data not being correct, and therefore all the savings and earnings are not correct. More importantly, in the intelligence section now, we have automations, and automations can charge batteries or discharge batteries or export solar depending on when your tariff rate is higher or lower. And if the tariff isn't correct, the automations won't be able to act in your best interests or work correctly. So we're going to go through the tariff setup. I'm going to use Octopus Energy as an example because it's a popular tariff in the UK, but you can use any tariff or set them manually if you want to. There are various methods to access tariff setup, which I've explained in another video, depending if you have more than one plant, different ways to do it. For now, we're going to take the simplest method, which is from the Solax app home screen. You're going to scroll down until you see the energy value tile, and then on the price trend heading here, if you click anywhere on that heading, it'll take you straight to the Tariff Today summary page. If I go into the import tariff here, it tells you what the current import tariff is, and again just gives you the graph and the details underneath. So this demonstration is going to be using the API key to automate tariff changes depending on whenever you change your tariff with Octopus Energy. Clicking on the edit link, we go into the provider selection, and again I'm going to pick Octopus. This time I'm going to use the API key method, so it's automated, and firstly I'm going to need my Octopus Energy account number. So go to your Octopus Energy app or website, and you're going to need the account number, which is the A8D there for me, and you're going to put that in the account number field. The API key is a little bit more difficult because what you need to do is generate an API key under your personal details. So log on to your Octopus Energy, you're going to click the link in personal details. You're then going to scroll down until you see developer settings and access and use our customer API. If you click the API access here, you need to scroll down till you see the generate my API key and click that button. Now, this API key only works as long as you leave it alone. If you click regenerate my API key, you'll need to come back into the Solax app and re-enter the new API key. So if I click copy and then paste, don't try and type it in, it's so easy to make mistakes. If you click regenerate key, you're going to have to change it. You'll need to copy it again and then put it again into the app. Once you've got your account number and API key in there, you're going to click Next. So what this does is automatically load the tariff into the app by querying the Octopus Energy database, and it'll also list your MPAN and serial number. Click Next, and it'll put the new tariff rates, the import rates, on the graph. You can check the tariff that you're on. And if you scroll down, it shows you the detail in tabular form. When you're happy with that, click Confirm, and we'll be back to the Tariff Today screen. You'll need to do exactly the same thing for the export tariff, so click Export here, click the Edit link in the top right corner, select Octopus Energy, click the API key. You're going to put the same account number in from your Octopus Energy account, and then your API key which you generated before, and click Next. Confirm the entry of that, and then we'll be brought back to the My Export Tariff screen. When you've finished setting up the tariff, you can click back. So now you can see the price trend here reflects the tariff that we've entered. I've got some sample ones here. The battery SOC is plotted against them. The automations are going to be covered in another video, so please set up your tariffs, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.